Hello viewers, welcome back to another video of Vroid. In this video, I'll be making a procedural hairstyle. In this one, I'll be making one from Pokemon, specifically from the black and white version 2. Especially the female character. The English name is Rosa. Japanese name, I have no idea. At least at the moment. I've seen it, but I'm confusing with the first version of Black and White's third part. My bad. Don't question me why do they make two different versions of the game, so we're just gonna have to go with it. Anywho, let's go. So, as I said before, it's gonna be a procedural hair type of group. And if you've seen the previous video, the one that is from double hair bun, for now it's gonna be like that. Everything's gonna be exactly as that video. We'll be focusing first on the double bun, so that later we can start playing with the rest of the hairstyle. So for now, since it's gonna be the two buns, we just have to set it up, not like that. We just have to get everything ready for it. I'll avoid that little mistake. So since we're gonna be actually having it divided at the center, we're just gonna have to leave it like that. Maybe stretch it out over here a little bit. And just go in the hair parameters. Let's just increase the thickness scale so it looks more, should I say, complete or realistic. Didn't tell you to do that. Now it should be this one. No, no. Why does it keep doing that? Where's that? Oh, here we go. Now since it's hanging over there, now it's actually separated. Either way, if you actually make a small mistake and, you know, since it's a slider, like you can actually fix it, just type 0.0 and you actually just reset it back to the normal position. Where was that one? Either way, we just have to increase, I said increase, not decrease, the thickness scale, and then just shift No, way too early. First we have to align everything, so then we can actually start playing with it. Okay, since it's almost done. But still not enough. Not yet. Give me a little second. Okay, that fixes something, but not what I'm looking for. No, no. Where was that? I think it was this one. Yeah, no. It's only for, should I say, single strand of hair? Wait. It's this one. And for some reason I want to start from there. I want to change it. What is it doing? Oh. This new version made a few other changes. So I'll just start from one side. Then just work a way around it. Where was that? You can actually reduce the width scale and then just play along with it into the command. Well, they really did change a few things. Oh, here we go. Position. And so now, since we have it in place, we just amplify the width scale. And if I'm correct, if it's still there, yeah. Don't play with the center X here. Why is it keep doing that? This is gonna be actually the closest as we can get from Vroid. That is not simple, dare I say. Besides, there's this. you have to do just change a little bit of direction. Let me see if I'm increasing it and then rotating it. That should do part of the trick. It's an... oh, no, never mind. What are you doing? He told you go to 0. Now it's kind of better. No, don't do that. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Alright, so afterwards, just go over here to Procedual group, clone it. So you basically just made a shortcut and your work is already half. And then go to the position flyer because of this. And now, you should, there we go. You should be having both like that. And then, where was that? You can actually just make it bigger. Here we go, with the offset. Then just do the same to the other side. If you know the actual number, what just happened? Ah, you need to know the exact number, so there, we're doing it far much better. For some reason, they don't actually allow you to make it like individual. I don't know why. I'm really sure it'll give the user much more flexibility. Alright, so go ahead and add another freehand group, but this time move to the position wrong one. Sorry, it's procedural, not freehand group. Don't do that. Now we're talking. And since this one now come up with the previous one, you just have to reset, say, the leaf. Now, anything that's actually out of place, try and fix it.